How do you test Facebook ads in 2023 or maybe 2024, right? So you have new images or new video or new ad copies or headlines. What do you do to test these stuff, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to test Facebook ads. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 34 million in revenue for my clients. If you want me to run Facebook ads for your business personally, click the link below and book a call with me. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment your thoughts, or if you have any questions. I am happy to help. So in this video, I am going to show you how to test ad creatives. So let's start the video. Before starting the ad testing thing, I just want to tell you what criteria needs to be there before testing the ads, right? So I will show you in Facebook Ads Manager live everything, right? So these are the few things that I so your ad creatives will be have same messaging in the ad, right? It can be video or images. We will be using three creatives. It can be three videos or three images. We cannot mix these two. We will be using two different ad copy but with the same messaging style and two headlines for all the three creatives. And the landing page link will be same. If you have a ad creative, right, it's a video showcasing different products, then we will be using the collection page. And if the video or image is about the single product, then we will use the product page. So always use product page for your ad creatives. It can be video or images, right? But if it's a video and it's showcasing different products, and like different products of the same collection, like slippers but showcasing different slippers, bags, if it is showcasing different bags, then leads to their collection page. Let's jump into the ads manager and I will show you how to test the ad creatives. I will show you two different ways to test the ad creatives. So here we are in my test ad account. I'll just quickly start creating the campaign. Click on the sales. Right. Choose the correct pixel. Choose the correct conversion. So here we will be using this tool given by Facebook that helps you test ad creatives in much better way, right? So it's a dynamic creatives. If you are browsing videos on internet, on YouTube, sorry, you will be seeing that people are using dynamic creatives. So everything will be remain open. If it's a gender specific product, then opt for correct gender. Always use advantage plus placements. Everything is good. We are not putting the any interest in the detailed targeting, right? 7-day click and 1-day view. Everything is good. Purchase. So it's not about the ad sets, it's about the ad creatives, ad creative testing. That's what we are doing. So what we will do is just leave this. It's not a game changer tool, but these are some small things that impact a lot. I am testing the three ads given to me by client. It's about the women's sleeper. So I'm choosing three videos, right? Only three videos, or three only images, right? You should not mix this. It will dilute the whole process of ad creative testing. Turn this off. Now you have option to add two primary text. I will suggest you to add text that one text that is proven, one ad copy that is proven by your previous results. Proven ad copy. Now add another ad copy, test ad copy to headline. Generally it's a product name, collection name. Right, you don't need to put descriptions. So I'll just quickly put the collection. This is just a random URL, so you don't need to copy this. If it's a local business, then opt for call option. Always go for shop now, right? And here you and just hit the publish button, and you are good to go, right? So this is the one method that have started using recently in like in 3 months. But if you don't have three videos, right, you have two videos, then what you will do? If you don't have three videos, then just go for two videos. It's not any hard written rule that you need to put three things. We are just giving minimum variables in the dynamic creative option, so that Facebook can optimize the ads basis on the different variations, right? If you have only one, then generally it's better to test two or three, but if you have one or two, just go for two of these two. Now if you're not using dynamic creatives, if you just have one video, then what you will do? Just turn this off. If you have any previous interest that is proven from your regular testing of the ads and the for example, online shopping always work for you, just go for this, right? If not, just leave this open. Put slippers as I am testing the if it is proven. Just keep the words in mind. If you have any proven interest that works, then go for that. If you don't have any proven interest, just go for the open audience, right? You can even test these two audiences with the same ad creatives, which is going to perform, right? These all the things that I'm saying is on the basis of the previous data that is happening in your ad account previously. Just go and look at the data of 30 days, 14 days, or 2 months, 3 months, and see which interest is working. If that interest is working, put these new ads this using the dynamic creatives over there. And if you don't have many variation, just go to the ad level, add a video, put this over here, hit the done button. Use your, if you have any new ad copy, test that ad copy, or just to use the proven ad copy that you have. Product name simple. Click on shop now. Right, and just hit the publish button. You don't need any fancy strategy or tactics to test these things. If you have any proven interest, put your new ad creatives. If you have any proven interest, just put your new ads in those, right? And once you start getting some results over here, right, just go to your ad level and and hit the use existing post. So all the comments, all the reactions to this video and share thing will be accumulated at this post ID, right? So it will be a proven ad that is going to work for your business. If you have seen on the Facebook feed while scrolling the Facebook, you might have seen like some ads have around like really good comments, good reactions, like 100,000. I have a client that create videos, and I'll just run the Facebook ads, and after some time it generally gets around 100 200 likes, reactions, and 200 300 comments generally, right? On some Facebook ad it has around 1,000 likes, right? So these are the social proofs that make, what should I say, it that makes uh, make people inclined toward that ad, because people have appreciated that ad, people have appreciated that product, so they tend to be more inclined toward the product, right? So this is the social proof that instantly increase the trust of the people, right? So these, I have just shown you two ways to test the ad creatives, right? We are not testing audiences here, we are testing ad creatives. If it is possible for you guys, use the dynamic creatives. If you have multiple videos or images of the same product or collection with same messaging, right, then go for it. If you don't have it, just put it in manually in the proven audience that you have. Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding this subject, just put it in the comment section.